Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Lately I've been having a little problem with my cat, but this makes that problem just totally obsolete.
My very favorite thing about this spray is how safe it is. It doesn't have any harsh fumes or residual chemicals that you're going to feel on the carpet. I have heavily sprayed my carpet where I'm having trouble with my cat, and then after I spray it, there isn't any kind of residue there, so I love that. I love that you can spray it on any kind of surface, or you can just spray it in the air and it just takes the odors away and leaves a beautiful floral scent. It just kind of reminds me of my grandma, and I love the way my grandma smells. It's super easy to use. It's got this twist top. Never mind my dirty fingernails. I was just in my garden. It's very sturdy. I've used some spray bottles before that kind of collapse when you spray them, but this is very well made. It's very durable, and I know because I've put the poor thing through a lot. So I want to tell you a little bit more about how safe it is. It's powered by hydrogen peroxide to eliminate odors, and we're talking all kinds of odors, even the tough ones. Smoke, stuff from your pet like I've shown you, even food odors from a stinky dinner. You can spray it on your couch, your pillows, anywhere, even your kids, because it's safe to do that.
So this spray is fantastic. It has done wonders for the odors that my dear cat has left. But that's just my point of view.